Hello everyone. Well, today I am going to talk about modernity. Well, there are four types of modern people. Four type of mod people. The first group is show off modern. Show off modern means they put on very stylish dresses. They keep very stylish hairstyle. They talk Hindi or English or any language very stylishly, and they think that they are very modern. And very honestly, all of us we fall in this group in one way or other. The second one is pseudo stylish. Pseudo stylish, well, they put on very stylish dresses, but they don't belong to this century. They are still living in the past century. Well, they still believe in a caste and religion. They still believe in upper caste and lower caste. They still believe that boy child is very necessary to run the generation. So even if they have the two girl child, they are bound to try for the third one. Well, they talk about the women empowerment, but in their house they treat the ladies folk. They don't allow their wife, they don't allow their daughters or boys to go out and do the work they want. They still believe in all sorts of superstitions, yeah, jadoo, tona. So their outlook is very modern, but their thought process they still belong to the past one. The thought process has changed. Then the next one is pseudo intellectuals. Well, pseudo intellectual means they are highly educated. Maybe they are IITian. Maybe they are the product of IIM. Maybe they are doctor, engineers. Maybe they are IAS. But you know what? Even after being so very highly educated, they demand for dowry, and without dowry they don't get married. What sort of education it is, right? Since your childhood you have been uh, hearing that one should not take or give dowry, and you are yourself, instead of bringing the chain, you are taking dowry. And it is not just the boys, even the girls belong to this group. Even the girls, they are self-dependent, they are doctors and engineers, but just to get married, they are ready to pay any hefty amount of dowry to the boys' side. So shame on you. Maybe your dressing is very modern and maybe you are highly educated. So called you are highly educated, you are holding such powerful posts, but uh, you are not modern at all. Then about these people only I am talking. That uh, they might be doctors and engineers, but they think in a only set pattern. Like they want their sons to take science, otherwise how will they face the society? They make their sons to go for engineering even if that fella doesn't deserve. So making engineering is the sole purpose of their life. They only talk about study, study, study. They don't allow their son and a daughter to go for extracurricular activities. They don't encourage, rather they discourage that they should learn music, painting, dance. According to them, these are sheer wastes of time. One should not. So well, yes, one thing more. They give a lot of importance to uh, degrees. It doesn't matter whether one is having a knowledge or not, but if someone is having a lot of degrees, according to them, he is a very high-fi. He is a highly educated man. Where the hell you are, man? Degrees, forget about that. If he is having the knowledge, it means that is what the modern thought is, that you are giving importance to the knowledge. Degree is important for the job purpose, but degree doesn't prove that you are having a lot of knowledge, but still they believe in a degrees. And I come across this sort of people a lot. They come with CVs and so many things, and they just tell that I am having these many degrees, and when I send them to the class to take the classes and all, I find that they are utter failure. This goes in almost all the lines. And the last group, I am talking about the real moderns. And who are the real moderns? So actually with their work, they set the example that yes, they are truly modern, in the sense they don't believe in a caste and religion. Next, they don't believe that the ladies, they only don't talk about the woman empowerment. They give full freedom to their ladies folk of their house. They can go anywhere, they can do anything that they want. They educate their daughters to be self dependent. They give a lot of stress on girls being self dependent. They do not just encourage their son and a daughter to take science or go for engineering. They allow son and a daughters to opt the line that they want. They do not give stress on a government job only. They allow their son and a daughter to pursue the line that they are interested in. It might be very offbeat line, but still there's no problem with them. They don't believe in a outdated customs. They don't believe in a superstitions. Like right now, what I am seeing that there are some persons, the boys and the girls, they they are organizing the party in their own party, in the marriage party. They are not inviting the crowd. They are inviting very limited number of guests. They have cut down all the extra expenses. So rather, I would call them modern. So these sort of people are there in the society. Of course, their number is very less, but gradually they are increasing. So I would rather call them modern, because they are setting example with their activities, with their life and all. So well, let's decide in which group we are. Are we in the first group only with the dressing? Are we modern? With the dressing, are we keeping the thought of the past generation? Are we pseudo modern? Are we educated and all, but still we are thinking on a one track mind? We are not trying to remove the drawbacks of the society. And the last one, are we bringing some change in society with our work? Thank you.